Hey guys, this is CS50 Assignment 8 and this is helicopter update. Right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to reset the speed of the buildings as well as the coins, the helicopter to the default. And now the speed is quite fast if you have noticed. So as I restart, you've noticed the speed has decreased. Second thing I need to do is the gem update, which is the purpose of this assignment. So, as you can see, the gem will not spawn quite frequently, and the position is always the same. And in this case, is y equals to 7. And the reason I did this is because I don't want to have the issue where uh, when the gem is spawned and it's in the building or below or on top of the screen. Okay, so that's enough for the game. So let's check at our editor. So in my editor, I've included gem spawner, which is a game object, and the prefabs, I've included a gem. So this gem is, this gem over here, which is the prefabs I've created, and not much, but I've included the gem script, which leads us to gem.cs. So this is more or less the same as the coin.cs, except that when we trigger the collider, it's now pick up gem instead of pick up coin. So where does this function is created is in helicontroller.cs. So over here I've declared a public class, public function, which when we pick up, the coin total shall increase by 5. And for the restart function, not restart function, but when we jump, which we restart the game, so go ahead and set the speed to default, which in this case is 10f. And then of course in gem spawner.cs, I fixed the value to 7 instead of -10 to 10, and the timer range is now 15 to 20. So that's pretty much it. My name is Tommy Wong and this is CS50.